This story is about two close friends who were proud about their friendship.
Hi John, let's go to our friend's sister's marriage.
Yeah, sure, but the way is full of wild animals. We have to cross that very carefully.
So they finally decided to cross the scary forest. Suddenly, they saw a bear approaching them, which made them scared. John climbed up the tree, leaving Bob behind. Bob, knowing that bears do not eat dead bodies, lay down on the ground holding his breath. Eventually, when the bear sniffed at his face, he found Bob to be a dead body and went away. Let's see what happens next.
What was bear saying to you?
He said, don't trust John. He's not your friend because he left you alone in danger.